That shows we got up to 45, 33 the low, and then we no rain for today, but still well above average for the year. And the high temperature show we're going to be dealing with this colder air for the next few days as well. So get used to it. Highs like we saw today, 45 in the Twin Cities, 41 in Alexandria, Ortonville, up in Moorhead as well. A few 30s out there to the northwest. And these temperatures will continue, as we mentioned, because this is a pretty strong cold front. The air behind it's pretty stable, so not a big change. And even now, temperatures continuing to fall. A lot of folks already into the 20s from Bemidji down to Alexandria and Laverne. And the radar and satellite shows at least it's quiet. So even though we have the clouds in place across southeastern Minnesota, a few clearing spots and then more clouds back up to the northwest. And that's what we're going to see as we move tonight and into tomorrow. We will see some breaks in the clouds, but clouds still going to be that dominant feature over the course of the next really several days. Now, microcast shows by the time we get to tomorrow morning, notice a bit of sun starting to push on in, then clouds will start to return for the afternoon hours, and that's when we'll start to see a little bit more cloud cover, especially into the evening. Now, we do have a system that's going to be sliding off to the south tomorrow night into Tuesday morning. We're still watching it because it is close. It's going to bring some snow showers down to southeastern Minnesota into western Wisconsin. Right now, Metro's looking dry. All points to the west and the north looking dry as well. We'll have to watch and just see where that northern edge, just how far it goes to see who could see maybe some snow showers into the early morning hours of Tuesday. By Tuesday afternoon, though, it's gone. We're going to be seeing those temperatures climbing still only to about 40 degrees for the high. Your forecast for tonight shows temperatures in the 20s across most areas. Looking for partly clear to partly cloudy skies out there, and then heading into tomorrow, the afternoon temperatures only climbing up into the upper 30s. Feels like temperatures around freezing all afternoon, and we're going to notice those temperatures across the state still in the 30s as well. A few spots around the metro could get up to around the 40-degree mark. And that's about it. After those possible snow showers tomorrow night in southeastern Minnesota, we could see a few flurries Tuesday morning. By Wednesday, coldest day of the season. Most folks looking up into the teens, low 20s here into the metro, highs only in the mid 30s. More of the same for your Halloween. So definitely need layers underneath the costumes there for the kiddos. And then still not a warm up. 20s all the way into the weekend for the morning lows and highs still only in the low 40s.
Smaller house ratio on Candy Day. Just throw it in the bucket, please.